Hey, so I just wanted to show you how quick and easy it is to grab your diffuser recipes from your Trello board and how quick and easy you can access it from your phone. And then also, if you want to access it from your computer, all you do is go to Trello.com, sign in, and you'll have all of your recipes there as well. So you want to go ahead and download the app from the App Store. So for your iPhone, it'll be on the App Store, and then Android, it will be in the Google Store. So you just go ahead and download Trello to your phone. You open it. The first time you open it, you'll have to sign in. So you just enter in all of your information and you just go to whichever board you want to go to. So in this case, we're going to the 77 diffuser blend recipes. So you have access to all of these diffuser blends all in one spot, and you can quickly swipe through and access whichever ones you want. There's also a place for your favorite recipes, so you can drag them over. I share how to do all of this in the welcome video for you, so if you don't know what I'm talking about, make sure you watch that after you get your diffuser blends. But you can access them. I'm on my phone right now, but it's the same thing for an iPad. You just download the app and then you have access to all of these recipes as well. And yeah, so I just wanted to share how quick and easy it is to access these diffuser blend recipes from either your computer, your iPad, or your tablet, or your phone. So that's one of the reasons why I love these. When you're out and about, if you're at a friend's house and they have a diffuser, you can help them, figure out a great diffuser blend recipe. If you are teaching classes, then you can you have access to all of these. So if you buy before Friday, then you get access to 3 free bonus boards as well. So it's a $45 value you get for free, and I want to share just what they are here. So the first one you get is a weekly schedule, and so it goes as you flip through, it'll show this is kind of a template from the weekly schedule that I use in my own business. So you get this for free. You also get these essential oil recipes board as well. So you get access to all of these as well. So this is more of a template, but I have scattered throughout a couple of recipes as well. So make sure you check these out. So the essential oil recipes board, the weekly schedule board, and then the last one is the self-care board. So this has a bunch of self-care, just a self-care plan that you can follow or put into place what you want to put into place. So I have a list of, and I'm not going to swipe over because it kind of gives away everything on the board, but I have a schedule there for you, like a sample schedule, and then I have activities, free activities, 30 minutes or less, 5 minutes or less, all of those on this self-care board as well. So it's a template for discovering what works well for you, a schedule that you can kind of keep track of your self-care. So you get all those boards for free when you get this, but you have to get it before Friday. So, okay, well, that is it. Let me know if you have any questions. Reach out. I'd love to answer any questions you have, and I hope you have a good day.